Hi, today I'm going to show you the Nike Stussies that recently came out. The whole shoe is made out of hemp. The entire shoe, even the check mark and the laces as well. The tongue. This little thing is like made out of hemp. I think it's a really unique, different type of shoe I've never seen. Here's the front. The side, I really like this part. This is like a caged. The back part, they say Stussy. Okay, let me show you the bottom. This is how the bottom looks. I thought this part looked really cool. They first released on the Stussy website, and then they later came out on Nike sneakers app, and they've been a really good hit. Thank you for watching.